Right, sing the song. Jingle bells, jingle bells rock. What happened to his body? It's not much of it. We need a head. Right, Kelly, roll a head. What you do, Kelly? Kelly, that's it. Make a snowball and then roll it.
I'm making a snow fort, Daddy.
Huh? Snow angel. Right, that's his head. You've dropped your hat. Du, 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 du. Right, carrot, Amy.
Oh, no, wait.
Amy, move out the road a wee bit. That's a great snowman.
I'll get going for its eyes now.
Here you are, Amy. There's a wee grape for its eyes.
Oh.
Watch yourself in these stairs.
Oh, I watch the dead star. If you've got to come that way in, we stone. Aye, careful.
What do you think of that? Kelly, is that no fun? Your first ever snowman. And it's snowing. And I've caught it all in video. I'm going to put you on YouTube. You'll be on YouTube tonight. Amy and Kelly's snowman on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to, and then I'm going to put it on Facebook and all your pals will see it.
I hate you.
Yeah, I know you do. Everybody hates me.